Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make stew, vegetable stew. So while I am making the stew, I will show you all the ingredients and it will be very tasty to eat. It will be very delicious also. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe now. Today I am going to show you what all I am going to take and make. This is cabbage. I have cut up in this size. Taken potatoes, cut up in this size. Taken cauliflower, all cut up, and radish, all cut up in pieces. You can watch it. First of all, put some oil. I use mustard oil. You can use any oil, any eating oil. Put in the cut up onions. I have cut up the ginger in this size. Put it in. I have taken bay leaves, darchini, cardamom, cloves and black pepper. All this I will put in now. Till the onion turns brown, I will stir this. You can see the onions are turned brown. Now I will put in the vegetables. This is the radish, cauliflower, cabbage, and the potatoes. Put the salt. Now I'm going to cover it up because the water will come out from the vegetables. So I'm going to cover it up now and let it cook for a while. You can see the water is dried up in the vegetable. Now I'll put in the water. How much of soup you want to keep it? So you can put water according to your soup. Now I will put in the tomatoes, which is chopped up and kept here. I have cut in this size. I have taken 4 tomatoes, so I'll put this in. Even I'm going to put green chilies, slit it up. I'm going to put it in. Now I'll cover it up again and let it boil for a few minutes. Not for a few minutes, about 15 minutes. Stew is ready, hot. You can see the soup, how nice it's turned. Now I'm going to serve it. Vegetable stew is ready to eat. Very healthy. It is to eat. Thank you for watching my video.